Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download zoning maps using city planning portals for investors, full guide step by step clearly. Start by selecting the city planning portal for the area of interest. Open a web browser and enter the URL of the city planning department's website. Look for a section typically labeled zoning or maps. Click on that section to locate the zoning maps available for download. Review the map options provided. Check for any specific zoning categories or overlays that may be relevant to your interests. Select the desired map format, often available as PDF, JPEG, or GeoJSON. Click the download link for the zoning map file. Ensure your device is set up to save the file in a location where it can easily be accessed later. After the download is complete, navigate to the saved file. Open the file to verify it displays correctly and contains the information needed. If the portal offers an interactive map feature, consider utilizing it for a more detailed analysis. Look for tools that allow you to explore zoning districts, land use, and other relevant features. If available, download additional resources or reports linked to the zoning map. Keep track of any specific zoning codes or regulations mentioned in the documents. This can aid in understanding potential implications for investments in that area. Once familiar with the zoning information, consider reaching out to local planning officials for any clarifications. Engaging with professionals can provide additional insights into zoning changes or upcoming developments. Always ensure that the zoning map is the most recent version available. Use this information to make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.